An easy apple crisp recipe is a must-have for fall. The smell of cinnamon and warm apples baking on a chilly fall night makes the perfect dessert after a fun day of apple picking. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate, and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add sliced apples, granulated sugar, ground cinnamon, and lemon juice. Stir together, coating all the apples. In a food processor, add brown sugar, all-purpose flour, diced unsalted butter, old-fashioned oats, ground cinnamon, and salt. Blend until all of the ingredients are mixed together. You can also add all of these ingredients to a large bowl and use your hands or a pastry cutter to mix the ingredients together. A food processor definitely makes this step easier though. Add the apples to a 7x11 pan that has been sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. Add the crumb topping to the top of the apples, making sure all the apples are covered. Feel free to use all the crumb topping or less than this amount, but I think the crumb topping is the best part about apple crisp. Check out other delicious fall recipes in my fall playlist in the link above or the video description below. Place the pan in a 350-degree preheated oven for 35 to 40 minutes or until the crumb topping is golden brown. Enjoy this apple crisp with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or eat it plain. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.